Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to download Atomic Wallet for your PC. You can easily download the app of Atomic Wallet on your PC and use the wallet easily. So to download it, you need to first open up your web browser and search for Atomic Wallet download. After you search it, you'll enter the first website, which is the website of atomicwallet.io. Now here you'll have different operating systems that you can download for. Choose Windows and click on it. After the download is complete, you can now open up the setup file and then double click on it and install it for your PC. If you double click on this file, a similar interface will open up. Now you can click on restore from backup if you already have a wallet, or click on new wallet if you want to create one. So that's how easily you can download Atomic Wallet for your PC. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also turn on the notifications. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.